Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Donna. Today we are making up something that's fairly quick, delicious for dinner. Um, in my pan here, I have some bacon grease, as you can see. Trying to make the video a little bit more quick. I reserved that bacon fat there, and I'm making up some creamy chicken noodle bake. And we're going to get some chicken in here. Now I'm using tenderloin. I have not quite 2 pounds. A little bit more than, almost 2 pounds, not quite. Let me wash my hands. And we're going to let that cook till we get some color on it. Let me dry my hands here. And here's everything you need is in the description. Now I have some onions, some garlic, and a very little salt, because we are adding some stuff in here that is salted already, so you don't want to go overboard with salt here. You don't even have to salt it if you don't want to. So we're just going to cook this till it's done, okay? Right in that bacon grease. Okay, my chicken is done. I think I fried mine maybe 7 minutes on high. So we're going to get this off the stove. Okay, now, like I said, to make the video go along faster, I used 1 pound of the rigatoni. Can they see that, Curtis? And if you don't want to use this one, and I already got this cooked, which is here, or you could go with this one if you're about proteins, which is from chickpeas. Same pasta, but it's made with chickpeas. Curtis likes this, lots of protein. All right, so we got that cooked up. Just follow your directions on your box. It usually takes 8 to 10 minutes. Okay, now here's where we're going to add simple stuff here. I'm going to add in my soups, which is, can they see that, Mr. Curtis?
Yes, they can.
The cream of chicken and mushroom. Now, if you can't find this, you could do a can of the cream of chicken and a can of cream of mushroom. And these, I believe, are the little 10.5 ounce cans. But like I said, it'll all be in the description for you. It's a simple dish. Delicious. I say that a lot, don't I? Simple. It's simple. For me, it is. And for a lot of us experiment cooks or experienced cooks, it is. It's simple. Just throw it together, boil a few things, fry a few things, throw it together, stick it in the oven. It's done. Now we're going to add our chicken that I fried up in that bacon grease. And as I said, please be careful with your salt. And get you a 9x13 or like some kind of casserole dish that's pretty deep. Put this in. I could have actually just cooked it all in this pan right here because this is oven safe. And I'll add a little bit of that bacon grease. That's optional. Okay. Now I'm going to add in my sour cream. Some chicken stock. And some Monterey Jack cheese. This is a block of it I bought, an 8-ounce block. And we'll put half of it in there and then half of it on top. So let's just get this mixed up. Okay, got that all mixed up. Now with your casserole pan or your 9x13, go ahead and lightly oil or spray that. Can they see that, Curtis?
Yep.
And I'm just going to dump this in there. Don't want to drop my bowl. This is a lot of stuff, like I said, you probably have in your pantry. Maybe not the noodles, but... And just get that spread out. And my oven is preheated to 375. When I did my bacon earlier, we're going to go ahead and sprinkle some of that on top. Bacon right on top. Bacon, just like butter, it makes everything better. Right? Right, Curtis?
Yep.
Just put that evenly all over there. That way when you scoop it out, everybody gets some nice bacon. Now this is thick cut. Curtis, what's your fingers going stiff over there for? He's tired. He just got back from Dallas. So he's tired.
Yeah.
Now with the rest of our cheese, we're going to put right over top of that bacon. I like to use this Monterey Jack cheese because it's very melty. Is that a word?
Melted?
Melty?
It is now.
Okay. Gonna finish up here in the oven. Everything's cooked. You're just warming through. Maybe 25 to 30 minutes and it'll be ready. In the oven she goes. Okay, friends, there it is. I kept mine in for 25 minutes and it's ready to eat. You can have a salad with it, eat it on its own, but Curtis is over here. He's wanting some of this, so let's go ahead and get him some dished up. See, that's hot. That's warmed through.
Ooh.
See that cheese in there? You want some bacon, Curtis?
Of course.
There you go, son.
Thank you.
That's more than a bite, but that's going to be your plate for dinner.
This little small plate?
Yeah, you can add some more.
Mmm.
Like that? You
Oh
like
my
chicken
God.
anyways.
So good.
He loves chicken. But there it is, y'all. I hope you all enjoy it. Something quick and simple to eat for dinner, and it's definitely different. But if you like the channel, please hit that subscribe button and share. You can go check out my merchandise. That's in the description box. And until next time, make you up some. Bye-bye. Love y'all.